In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save changes in Elementor. Whether you're creating a brand new page or editing an existing one, knowing how to properly save your work in Elementor is essential. It not only keeps your designs safe, but also lets you control what is visible to your visitors and what stays as a work in progress behind the scenes. First, open the page you're editing with Elementor. You can do this from your WordPress dashboard by going to your list of pages and clicking the option to edit with Elementor. Once Elementor loads, you'll see your page in the main preview area with the Elementor panel on the left and the WordPress toolbar at the top. Now, focus your attention on the bottom or top corner of the Elementor interface, depending on your version. You will see a main button that either says Publish or Update. What this button shows depends on whether you're working on a brand new page or one that already exists. If this is a completely new page that has never been published before, the button will say Publish. Clicking Publish will make the page live on your website, which means visitors can now view it. This is what you want to do when you're happy with the design and ready for the world to see it. If you're editing an existing page that is already live, the button will say Update. In that case, clicking Update will apply all the changes you've just made to the live version of the page. This is useful when you're tweaking layouts, changing text, or adding new sections to content that's already visible to visitors. Sometimes, though, you may not be ready to publish your work. Maybe you're still experimenting with layouts, or you want to come back later and refine the content. In that situation, you can save your changes as a draft instead of publishing them right away. To do that, look closely at the right side of the Publish or Update button. You'll see a small downward pointing arrow. Click that arrow to open a small menu. From this menu, choose the option that says Save Draft. This tells Elementor to store all your changes without making them publicly visible on your live site. Saving as a draft is especially helpful for new pages because it lets you build out your design over time, review it, and even get feedback before you finally publish it. Just remember to use Publish when you want the world to see your page, Update when you're changing an existing page, and Save Draft when you want to keep working privately.